Whoops. Okay. Sorry, people at home. I forgot to record. This is, you're going to have to pause, read your number 8. Here's how we set it up. And we're going over number 9 at this time, where the low gear is going 3.4 times around when it goes. High gear is 1.8 times around. And with each turn of the wheel, the bike travels 6.5 feet. So we're going 3.4 times the 6.5 per turn. And then we're also multiplying this one, the 1.8 times 6.5 feet. All right, so just catch up, pause, and now we're about to multiply this one. And that's going to be and then the decimal really was here and here. The decimal really was here and here. Okay. So how many places over do I have to move it for this one?
2.
2. 1, 2 to the right, 1, 2 to the right. How many places over do I need to move it for this one?
2.
1, 2. So let's go back to the question. I'll put this back up in a second. How much further does the bike travel when it's in a low gear compared to high gear? What do I have to do? This is low gear. This is high gear. What do we have to do?
Subtract.
Very good. So that's the final thing. And don't subtract within the problem. Rewrite it. 22 point. Do I need that 10? I actually don't, but I'll put it. Minus the 11.7. I have to pre-borrow. I'm getting it from here. So 11 minus 7 is 4. And I'm thinking that is in what unit? It is in feet. So once you put a decimal, you may remove the 0 at the end. So it looks like it's 10 feet further in lowest gear than high gear. Is that answer there?
Yes.
Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, right here. So you're going to put your answer right here. That was a hard one. That was hard. And you're going to cross out every O that you see. And then what is left when you are done is, what did Kate call her twin sister? And let me see if there's any others. This is how much money did he earn in a week. So you'll add up all the hours. And this is a little, you have to be careful. He worked 1.75 each day, Monday through Thursday. How many days is Monday through Thursday?
4.
4. 4 days. You'll have to multiply 4 times 1.7 and then add on another 1.5 hours on Friday. And then once you get your total hours, what do you have to do? Multiply it by the amount he earns per hour. Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah.
Alrighty. How much do you save? I'm going to have to subtract something. He bought 3 tubes for this in a package, or he can buy them individually. So if you buy them individually, you have to multiply this times 3 and compare it with the $12.50. I think you're going to have to be subtracting. This is how much do you save? What's that? Oh, that's interesting. All right, and so if we finish with the quiz, I'll try to go over some more, but that is your job once you are done with the quiz. And just real quick, I'll keep the recorder on just to go over this real quick. So just very quickly, if I'm going 8.3 times 1,000, who knows a way that I could do this? Yes, sir. Yeah, there's 2 ways. One is you just say 83 times 1,000, and I go 83,000. With this method, then you just count this one place back, and then I can drop that. The other method is I know that my answers are going to get bigger because I'm multiplying it by 1,000, so I can just move this 1, 2, 3 places to the right and tack on. What am I going to put here? 2 zeros. So 8300. So we get the same answer no matter which way that you do it.
Isn't that 3 zeros? Or no, because
Well,
decimal. Oh, yeah, the decimal.
yeah, I just moved the decimal 3. So I really did count 1, 2, 3, but 1, 2, 3 this way.
Yeah.
Okay? So it's either method. You either tack the zeros on and then just go back 1, or you just move it the number of zeros that you have. And then real quick, I know on the division there's going to be one answer that it's going to go like 9 point, I don't know what the number is. It might go like that, and it keeps going on and on and on. Well, when you see that, stop it. When you see the pattern, just stop it somewhere. If you see that it's going to keep repeating, and just put a bar over it. Okay? So you will see a problem like that on the division. And I'm going to stop this.